I have a Cadet 1500 watt wall heater that will not shut off. I have turned off the breaker for about 20 minutes. But when I turn the breaker back on, the heater starts back up. Suggestions. BTW, this unit was replaced in April and the previous one had failed and it was only 1 year old.
Is your Cadet wall heater gas or electric?
Electric.
How long has this been going on with your Cadet wall heater? What have you tried so far?
It's in our cabin on the river. Electric BL tripled, so went to investigate. I have removed it from the wall after having shut off the breaker for about 20 minutes to no avail.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
We installed 5 of these about 2 years ago. 3 of the 4 have failed for different reasons.
Hello, my name is can help you with the issue you're having. I'm looking up a wiring diagram for your heater to better assist you.
Okay, thanks.
This is a pretty simple setup: 2 electric elements and a fan motor controlled by a thermostat. If the system won't shut off, this could only be a stuck thermostat, which is a very common issue with mechanical thermostats.
If I replace the thermostat, will I have the same problem? This unit was installed in April of this year. It's the second one in a year.
Yes, it's possible you could have the issue again, but there isn't anything else that controls the unit. If you are familiar with electrical wiring and comfortable doing the work, you could rewire it with a line voltage thermostat, but that could end up costing more than the heater itself. If you are satisfied with the service I have provided, please don't forget to rate me using the star system at the top of the page.
There's a 5-year warranty, so it's going back. Just thought I would see if you knew if this was a common problem.
I don't know if it's a common problem with a particular unit, but thermostats are a very common issue.
Thanks.
You're welcome. I hope this helps. Thank you for using JustAnswer.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.